Hey there! How amazing would it be if you could lose weight quickly with just one drink? I know it sounds hard to believe, but this drink is super easy to make and can help you shed those unwanted belly fat pounds in no time. By drinking just one glass of this juice before bed, you'll help lower your fat levels, especially that stubborn belly fat. If you make it a nightly routine and combine it with 30 minutes of cardio in the morning, you could start seeing results in just a few days. So, why does fat tend to accumulate while you're sleeping? When you go to bed, your body's metabolism slows down. The ingredients in this drink, however, help to speed up your metabolism, so you'll be burning fat even while you sleep. Let's dive into how this works. The magic is in the ingredients, each carefully selected to boost your metabolism. First up, cucumbers. These are great for fighting fat and are an essential part of any weight loss plan. A whole cucumber has just 45 calories but is packed with fiber and water, which are key for burning fat. Plus, they add a refreshing taste to the drink. Next, we have parsley and cilantro. These herbs are very low in calories but full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help ease water retention. This makes them fantastic for flattening a bloated stomach. Ginger is another powerhouse ingredient. It speeds up metabolism and prevents constipation, two crucial factors in fighting belly fat. This means more fat-burning action while you sleep. Lemon juice is perfect for flushing out toxins that build up in your body. When you get rid of these toxins, you not only lose fat but also feel a lot better overall. And finally, there's aloe vera juice. It's loaded with antioxidants and helps combat free radicals, which lead to swelling and bloating. Aloe vera also boosts your metabolism, helping lower your body mass index. Now let's talk about how to make this incredible drink. You'll need 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, 1/2 glass of water. Mix all these ingredients together, blend them up, and drink a glass before bedtime. Incorporate this simple nightly ritual, and you'll wake up feeling lighter and more energetic. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on living a healthier life.